श्री भगवानुवाच प्रजहाति यदा कामान् सर्वान् पार्थ मनोगतान् आत्मन्येवात्मना तुष्टः स्थित प्रज्ञस्तदोच्यते। विच मीन्स जो ना तो प्रिय वस्तु को पाकर हर्षित होता है और ना अप्रिय को पाकर विचलित होता है, जो स्थिर बुद्धि है, जो मोह रहित है और भगवत विद्या को जानने वाला है, वह पहले से ही ब्रह्म में स्थित रहता है। Professor Dr. Shalini Verma is a lifelong learner, a lifeaholic who drinks life sip by sip while inching her way to the attainment of Sthit Pragya, the goal of our human existence. Lifeaholic Shalini, as she prefers to be addressed as, hails from the land of Satyagraha. Satyagraha is a Sanskrit word which means insistence on truth. She is what her motherland has made her, a Satyagrahi. To those who do not know, the Champaran Satyagraha is one of the vital events in the history of India's freedom struggle against 200 years of British rule. It was the first civil disobedience movement in India, launched by Mahatma Gandhi to protest the injustice meted out to tenant farmers in Champaran district of Bihar. From being stripped off from the right to education to becoming an academician and author of 70 published books, including multiple best-selling titles, the second innings of her life is exciting as well as highly engaging in teaching, storytelling, acting, modeling, screenwriting, and independent documentary and filmmaking. She is among the fortunate few who has been blessed with adversity, an opportunity that boosted her emotional quotient, creativity quotient, and above all, adversity quotient that has led her to self-exploration, self-education, and self-realization. At this juncture in her life, she is striding her way to the attainment of Sthit Pragya, a Sthit Pragya individual who is comfortable with both adversity and opportunity, one who sees them as the two sides of the same coin. Even in the bleakest of her times during this COVID-19 lockdown, she could keep herself constructively and creatively busy in adding 3 more books to her already published list of 70 titles. The titles of these 3 books are Body Language, Your Success Mantra, 2nd edition; Digital Body Language, Your Success Mantra for the Virtual World, 1st edition; Narendra Modi, The Communicator, 1st edition. In this journey on half a century, she has evolved from a shy self-talker to a communication professor dealing with a huge number of learners, readers, and viewers. Her keen observation on body language, backed with extensive research in the areas of subconscious mind reading and para-language, enabled her to write Body Language, Your Success Mantra, her first book in 2005. Coming from a non-academic and more so a non-author family, it took her 14 long years from the conceptualization to the publication of her first book. This itself is a testimony of her steely determination backed by 4 P's: pain, passion, patience, and perseverance. Her book Body Language, Your Success Mantra also happened to be the first book to be written from Indian perspective on the subject by an Indian author. At present, apart from her consultancy offering Lifeaholics an inside-out makeover studio, she spearheads 2 organizations, Samvad Shala, an online learning platform, and Books 33, a publishing outfit. In addition, she has also been associated as a communication professor at various reputed management colleges in India and abroad, including IIMs, TA Pai Management Institute, Manipal, Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai, Jaipuria Institute of Management, Noida campus, SP Jain School of Global Management, Dubai campus, Instituto Adreno Olivetti Business School in Ancona, Italy, Ohio University, Athens, Ohio, USA. Her sheer passion for communication laid the foundation of Samvad Shala, a communication platform for all those who want to transform from shy communicator to ace communicator, from novice to niche. On the other hand, her publishing outfit Books 33 is a unique platform for the writing enthusiasts. It is a home of the authors, by the authors, and for the authors. Aspiring authors come just with their ideas of writing a book. The mentor author team at Books 33 guides them, helps them publish, promote, and position themselves as authors, the thought leaders.